IVF, or in vitro fertilization, is a scientific method that helps couples conceive when natural pregnancy becomes difficult. The process begins by stimulating the ovaries with hormones so they produce multiple mature eggs. As these follicles grow, doctors monitor them through scans to choose the right moment for egg retrieval. Once ready, a thin needle is gently guided into the ovary to collect the eggs, and they are immediately taken to the IVF lab and placed in a controlled environment. In many cases, a single healthy sperm is directly injected into each egg through a technique called ICSI to improve fertilization success. Over the next few days, the fertilized egg divides and develops into an embryo, and only the healthiest ones are selected. Embryologists then choose the embryo with the best chance of pregnancy, and it is gently transferred into the uterus using a soft catheter. Finally, if the embryo successfully attaches to the uterine lining, pregnancy begins, marking the completion of the IVF journey.